So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find every color on a web page instantly. It's like you can extract a color palette of any of the website you are surfing or you want. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for Colorzilla. Just simply write it and hit .com. Once you do that, now wait for the site to respond. Now here it will say you have to click on this option which is Chromezilla for Chrome and Firefox. Once you do that, it will ask you to install online tool which is nothing but extension. And once you do that, you can use that extension to extract the color palettes over any of the website you are surfing. And you can see it's totally free. It won't ask you to pay any money, and it's just a eyedropper tool to extract the color from a site. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.